Hey, good morning, good, beautiful world. Today we are on our way to Turda Gorge, Romania. It's a nice little mountain where we want to do some hiking in the forest and by the river. And if we get lucky, get some local food. So Carmen and I we are excited to explore some mountain roads and hiking trails and so on. So stay tuned and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we managed to pack everything on this beautiful GS, and we are on our way to Turda Gorge, Romania. I call it the mini mountain. I used to go there and do some via ferrata, the climbing, with one of my friends, and I will try to do this summer again. Absolutely beautiful place. So it's not that far away from the city. It's a really nice ride. So it's good to spend a day of riding and hiking and get some local food when we cross the whole mountain the other side. I'm not sure how long it takes. I think probably, I don't know, 30-40 minutes walk, and we'll take some footage with the drone to see the top of the mountains and everything. It's very nice. So we are riding on this side roads, countryside roads, and north of the city of Cluj-Napoca, and here all the landscape changing by every kilometer, so it's really nice. We're going towards the mountains. We're gonna cross a few little villages, so kind of like we're going around. We don't use the highways. So look at this beauty here, incredible. And the air here is absolutely super fresh. No pollution, no city stuff. It's just green everywhere. It's like today is what 23 degrees, so Celsius. It's not bad for riding. Actually, it's very good. You don't want to have it like a plus 35, 40. You cook on the bike like this. It's actually a perfect. Exactly, right. So maybe when we get there, the mountains, and we start hiking inside the forest, it might be a bit cooler, but it's all good. It's not really. So we're getting closer to the next village, and after that, it won't be that far. It's really strange for this Saturday. Usually Saturday. These country roads are, packed with cars. People, they're going to cottages and fishing. They're going to all kind of nice places around here. It seems like it's no one on the road. Yeah, that's really weird in a way. Slow. Mini tractor. Yeah, usually in those little villages here you have to be careful because obviously it's farming, and as you see everywhere, they can come from side of the road and everything, and because there's not much traffic in the daily basis here, people are not used to see many cars, so they tend to just not to look and just drive straight into the main street. Here's the highway, and the mountains are right there. Oh, we can see them from here. See in the distance there are beautiful mountains. Usually we go that way, but today we're not gonna go to the big mountains. We're gonna go here and make a left to Turda Gorge. The ride here is pretty good. You have some twists, and if you like that, it's amazing. Special for adventure bikes. It's so easy to make those little turns. Yeah, it's not too aggressive. It's all about the rider, you know, who's riding the bike. Okay, I think here it is. All right, it's gonna be a bit of off-road.
Turda Gorge offers a stunning 3 kilometers canyon hike featuring towering 300 meters limestone cliffs, suspension bridges, and riverbed paths. The canyon floor walk is an easy 40 to 15 minutes walk along the water stream with 4 wooden footbridges. The full ridge loop is a moderate to hard 3 to 4 hour circuit taking you up to the steepy rocky ridges for panoramic viewpoints before looping back. The distance is about 4 to 7.6 kilometers total, depending on whether you stick to the floor or climb the cliffs. I'm so
Oh, what a beautiful day. We managed to change, you know, fix the bikes, park the bike properly, and then we start our hiking. And I was surprised to see so many people around here. And wow, because when we came here, all the roads they're like empty, nobody around. And now I know everyone is here now. So, oh, they start with the food here. They have that langos I'm gonna get later on. And then we have people here from Germany. I see people from Hungary. Wow, it's really nice. And the hiking starts now. Beautiful. Hey, boss, what's going on? Looking for food? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's busy, doesn't even want to say hi.
Yeah, very busy.
You don't want to say hi? No? Said, dude, if you don't give me a piece of steak, I won't talk to you.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's much better here because it's not that much sun. That's what I like about hiking mountains. These trails are basically in the forest. I can hear the water down there. I cannot see it yet. Man, it's so slippery here. Careful. Nice. Super cool. People taking a break. Refresh a bit. Awesome. He's just chillaxing there having a smoke. That's the coolest climber ever. Look at him. I think it's coming down. I had a break for a smoke. Yeah. It is. Very cool. Man, you can wait, don't go down there. Holy. It's funny. Good job, Carmen. It's very shaky. It's very shaky. Look at that, Carmen. Look at that. Very nice. That's another bridge. Oh yeah. Flexible bridge. Oh wow. We managed to get down from the rocky tops and stuff like that. So it's much better here a bit.
Maybe a bit flat.
A little bit
I don't
flat.
know for how long. But
No, it's another bridge there. We're gonna go up again. This one is not that shaky, this bridge, right? Like the other ones. This one is more stable. All right. It's a mini snake. Mini snake.
Okay, it's a little one. It's a little dude.
Yeah. All right, we got to the other end. Took us an hour or so, and let's try to look for some food.
They have little cabins if you want to stay there for the night.
I'm not sure they're still
I don't know
renting.
if they still-
renting those?
I don't know. It looks like not, but
Maybe.
and the zip lining.
Yeah, zip lining is from the top of that hill.
Yeah, it's popular. Let's see. Look, somebody's coming.
Someone is coming, yeah. See. Oh, they're coming. Oh wow. Came pretty fast. Oh well, not luck today because here on this area, all down here, there were just restaurants and mini bar, fast food, all gone. Have no clue why. So looks like we're not gonna eat anything here, and we have to go back. On the other side I have langosh, so I'm thinking I'm gonna stick with the langosh, and that's it for now.